When you start drawing fruit, you need to look for basic shapes. So an apple is basically a circle or an oval. So you can start by creating a circle and then add a little bit of details. We know that apples are a little bit wider at the top and a little bit narrower at the bottom. And then some apples have those little bumps on the bottom. And then you can always add a stem and some leaves. And then the next fruit, the banana, is based mostly on a kind of on a circle, but it's more of an oval, and it's a long oval or tube. I guess it could also be a cylinder. And so it's squished and rounded, but then the tips are pointed. And the last one is cherry, and those are also based on a circle, and it's got the little dent in the top and little stems and a leaf. And that's your simple fruit. And you should know how to draw fruit already from intro, but if you don't, there's a little bit of a help on a review on how to do fruit. Now, to make it fantasy and turn it into something, you just have to pick something like, for the apple, I'm making it into a house, so I added windows and a door. And you can add trees and landscaping. You can even add flower boxes, which I'm doing right now. And the more details you put in, the more believable that it is an apple that is also a house. And you can just have a lot of fun with this. Let your imagination go wild. What other details do you want on your apple house? Do you want little step stones leading up to the front door? Do you want a chimney, maybe with some smoke coming out? Just have fun with it. So there's all kinds of things you can do to turn your apple into a house. Then on the bananas, if you were going to try and turn those into an office material, like pencils, the tip of them kind of have a pencil shape, so you just can make them a little bit pointier, add a dark tip on the end, and add the jaggedy lines that you get when you put a pencil in the pencil sharpener. And then also, a lot of pencils have flat sides, so you can add some lines going down your banana. And then to make it look more believable as pencils, why not put a piece of notebook paper in the background? So you could do the kind of notebook paper that has the holes and lines that you would have, the loose notebook paper. And then just showing you one more, adding the dark tip, adding the jagged sharpener lines, and then a little bit of shading. And then the last one is turning your cherries into game pieces or dice. And so I just draw a simple cube around the cherries and kind of suspend them in the dice, and then you're gonna just go ahead and add the little dots, like on maybe 5, and then the one looks best in the top because then the cherry stem can be coming out of that top one. So you can have lots of fun turning all your fruit into different objects. Hope you enjoyed this video, and now you're going to get a chance to draw some fruit of your own and turn them into something that is totally different.